Buttercream floral cake design. So you want to pipe a buttercream cake but have no idea where to start? In this free tutorial we created for Cake Magazine, we will walk you through all the piping tips, the colours and the tools needed to create this buttercream beauty. It's a gorgeous rustic style floral buttercream masterpiece. Feel free to change the colours up, vary the design, add your own flair to it, or do it exactly the same as what we've done. We'd love to see what you create. We start our design off by marking out our stems and then start by adding in some green leaves and then moving on to each of our beautiful coloured florals. We generally do this one colour at a time, but you can always go back at the end and add in any extra petals or leaves wherever you feel like you need some more balance in your design. So follow our tutorial for our step-by-step instructions and you can create your own beautiful cake. Did you know that our favourite cake decorating supply store is Caker's Warehouse? They have a huge range both online and in-store for all your baking needs, your decorating needs, whether you like to work with cakes or with cookies, with fondant or with buttercream, they've got you covered. So pop online to their store, cakerswarehouse.com.au, and use our discount code at checkout, Enchanted10, and you'll be able to save 10% on your online purchases. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.